Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can upload your own fonts to Picsart. So you'll need to have premium for this. I don't have it, but don't worry, I will kind of show you guys where everything is. So go to thefont.com and just download a font that you want to use. Just select download until you've downloaded the font. Go back to thefont.com and there should be like an upload file here where you can upload your fonts under my font here. I don't have it, but you're just going to basically upload that file and it's going to be there. And then you'll be able to change your text to that font. But yeah, that's pretty much it really. It is that simple. I'm sorry I cannot share this, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.